Hey guys, welcome back. I'm popping on today to do a layout for Not Just for Boys Kit Club. We are in April 2022, which is amazing. This is my third layout that I'm doing with this, and this kit is called Latte Love, and it's all about coffee, and it is so cute. Now, I have lots of goodies in this kit, so let me show you. I'll pop my photo out of the way. I have got Echo Park coffee collection. This one's called Coffee Blend. I don't know which side I want to use. I just love it. I've got this one from the same collection called Cappuccino Cups. And how fun is this? Let me scooch out just a little bit. It is fun, fun, fun. This one is called 3x4 Journaling Cards, a great black and white stripe with journaling cards. We also have, this is really cool stuff. We've got a white cardstock. I've got this piece here from Echo Park It's a Boy Green and Mint, which is like a double-sided cardstock, two different colors. I love that. And then this is Echo Park Salutations Light Blue and Pink, same kind of dealio. Now from the coffee collection, I've got the entire sticker sheet, and oh gosh, it grabbed my photo. And I already grabbed this word coffee off of it from right here. I'll be using more stickers. And as you see here, we've got foam alphas. There's Simple Stories, Color Vibe, foam alpha stickers in coral. So Grand Haven was the town that I was in. Now here is the cardstock cut. And this was a la carte, love it. I want to make shakers out of the little coffee cups. So I already pulled that because I know I want to use that. We've got this really gorgeous sequin mix a la carte that goes with this kit. So I definitely want to make shakers. What else? Oh, guys, look at these. I have these and I want to use all three. So I'm going to have to ink them in. I have to find some distress oxides that work. Haven't done that yet, but I will go hunting to see what I have. And we also have Inklings and Gosh Garnet, which I'll probably come in and do splatty bits with them. So why don't I go ahead and start activating that color now so that it is ready when I want to play with it. So that's what I have. Now this is a photo from a few years back, I think 2018. This is myself having a cup of joe on the water in Grand Haven, Michigan, which is on the west side of Michigan. Now, if you're from Michigan, we always go, oh, this is Michigan. It's like right here. Yep, kinda-ish. Kind of, well, more like right here. Anyhow, so that's what I have. So I need to map my photo. I do have to pick my background paper, which I have not done yet. I'm kind of in the mood to do a little tearing, so we might see a few different slices of everything. So let's see. Well, I love the black and white, but I do also want to tear. And I want to be able to see everything. Oh, guys, it's always so tough. And I love all of these little pieces. So I might try to save this for now as a as die cuts. Maybe that's what I'll do there. So I have these, all of these great ones that I can tear. So with this, I think I'll have this nice blue for my background. That will work. Is beautiful, and it picks up the sky a little bit in my layout because it was gorgeous. To be able to sit out there in a tank top with a coffee, not a bad day. So I'm going to start working on this. I know I'm going to have these. They're going to have to be somewhere near the bottom. I'm thinking some torn paper here, a little there, something. So let me make my my shaker. And I think, yep, right here I have a little piece of, I have some acetate. I've got this. I need my little foam strips. Yep, I am good to go. Okay, I'm going to make that, trim this, map my photo, all that kind of stuff. I'll be back in a minute. I did end up using the black. I gutted it because I love a stripe. It's what I thought I wanted to do, though. I know my photo has to be kind of on this side. I created my shaker pocket. I still have to do some torn bits, so I'm going to do that shortly. I need this somewhere. Now we got to see the water. So somewhere. Maybe this will be more like, oh, I like that. All right, I'm going to do that. My title's kind of big with the coffee in Grand Haven thing. So maybe I'll have it like totally under my photo with coffee in Grand Haven, kind of like that. Or I could have coffee above and in Grand Haven. Ooh, wait. I wonder if I can get it to snuggle in right there. That might do it. But what I also want to do, oh, and by the way, I used some of our smooth white cardstock to back my cut file. I want to get some fun little torn bits going. I think it would be fun to kind of tear them on a bit of, let's see, a bit of an angle, kind of like a triangular kind of tearing idea. Okay, kind of like this. Is that what I want? I think that would be cool. So I'm going to do that. I think that'll be fun. So what is that? 11 and a half. I'm going to cut this. So I'm going to go ahead and create this piece, and I think that's fun. So I'm going to have it on a bit of an angle, this little bit here, that pointing a little bit more to this side because that's where my photo will be. And then I'm going to recreate the same idea on the bottom, just torn, not as much of the angle thing. So what I mean by that is I'm not going to worry too much about it. I try not to get too like stressed out about this stuff. It's just for fun. So kind of like that. Okay, yes, I'm liking this vibe. I'm going to do the same thing with some of this black as well. Get it stuck down. I still need to mount my photo, and I'll be back in a jiffy. So I've got a little traction going. I don't have my photo tacked down yet or my cut file. I wanted to go ahead and use some Distress Oxides to color my little bits. Now I think Festive Berries is going to be too dark. I might need to do a little bit of a combo. Let's see, I have, oh, let me see. I have picked raspberry as well. So I'm thinking of brightening Festive Berries up with it. I don't know. We're going to see. I'm going to just play along with it and see what comes out. But I'm going to go ahead and color them. I need my little pokey tool to get some of the bits off. Not all, but some. And I want most of the cups done, leaving just a little outline. And you guys know at Not Just for Boys, they leave the masking on most of these little guys. So I'm just going to take the masking off and color in those bits so that I have some nice, bright, fun little wood veneer. Okay, I'm going to do that and be back in a jiffy. So I have my wood veneer all inked up, and I'm coming in now just to add a few sequins in 2 places on this layout. So not a whole lot of extra sequin work. I have lots and lots of them in that cute cardstock cut. And is there anything else to tell you? I did put, I told you, I think I told you, around coffee, I put a couple stickers around that little piece. And yeah, for the most part, I'm just going to go ahead and have still shots in a moment. And I'll have links to the Not Just for Boys website, Facebook group, and blog. Yes, so stay tuned for just a few still shots.